Now I am going to clamp my work. After clamping your workpiece, you wear safety glasses and gloves so that you can make a hole by using a hand drill. Before you drill, you have to use a center punch. This is automatic center punch. And then we are going to use this pop rivet. You take the rivet of the same size into the hole you drill. Means that when I am going to drill a hole, I use a drill bit of the same size to the rivet I'm gonna use. This guide rod, it must be removed into this riveter. You have to add another guide rod into this riveter, and you put the rivet into the hole. You make sure that rivet head it is attached or it is faced correctly to your work. You pull this riveter away. You complete the stroke. You start to pump. Pump again. And then you remove that guide hole inside. It's already removed. This is riveting by using a pop rivet. This is also another type of a pop rivet. We have rivet key. If you want to change the adapter of rivet, you use this key. It is located there inside. You remove it and use this key to unscrew and put there inside the adapter corresponding to the size of the rivet you want or you need to use. This is the rivet of it has small diameter in comparison with this rivet. You look, it has small diameter of shank or diameter of rivet. Shank, it is this part. This, it is ahead of rivet. Means that you put this guide rod into this adapter. You see that it is not fit correctly. If it is not fit correctly, you have to change the adapter. When you are going to change, press your riveter and tighten this adapter. Yes, this is called a hand riveter. If you want to use it, to know how to use, you have first of all to know correctly the size of rivet you have. For example, this is a rivet of 5 millimeter of the diameter. It is a rivet of 5 millimeter diameter. It has different adapters. You take the rivet of 5 millimeter diameter and you put this guide rod into the adapter you have. If it fits correctly, you start the process. If it does not fit, you check which is fit correctly. You look that it fit in this hole or in this adapter, and you take this key. It is located there on some riveter. You remove it and you untighten this adapter and you untighten this also. You tighten it here and then you put the adapter you need. Make sure during putting you are holding this riveter in the same way, in this way, and tight very, very well. I am going to show you how can you use this gun riveter. You take it and you start to pump. You look, when I pump, this rivet diameter increase. You pump until this guide rod is snapped. Yes. And then it will pulled away. This is how you can use hand riveter. Let me show you about rivet joint, type of rivet joint. We have one lap joint. Second is butt joint. Lap joint, it looks like this. This is a shape of our rivet. Means that you take a workpiece and you overlapping to another one. This is a joint. When we say lap joint, when the plate to be joined are bring together which overlap, and they overlap each other on the surface. This plate, it is overlapping on the surface of this, in this area, and you put the rivet there. This is a rivet. We have also butt joint. Butt joint, you connect two workpieces by using another workpiece, or you connect the edge of two workpieces. You do this in this way. Means you use two rivet. In this type of joint, both plates are bring together without overlapping each other. Joints are made by use one or two cover plate. Here we use one cover plate. It cover this one, this workpiece, and this one. Those are two types of rivet joint. Thank you for watching and listening. You have been looking in this lesson what is a rivet as definition. We have been talking about type of rivet, tools, material used during riveting process. Next time we will look riveting as tool used in fabrication.